Let me ask you something. Do you know exactly where your last 10 customer inquiries came from? Some WhatsApp, some email, one referral, and one that mysteriously disappeared forever? If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. Most growing businesses reach this stage, and it's exactly when a CRM becomes important. If we haven't met before, hi, my name is Mohammed Ismail, founder of Weblogic Botswana, a local digital transformation agency. A CRM simply keeps your customer conversations, follow-ups, and opportunities organized in one place. Now here's the exciting part. We're entering the age of AI. But AI only works well when your business data is structured. Without CRM, AI guesses. With CRM, AI helps you prioritize leads, track opportunities, and follow up at the right time. And businesses that do this early usually grow faster. If you're struggling with your digital transformation strategy, contact us today and don't forget to follow us for more interesting content.